This woman walks with a stiff right leg. This is because of a fixed right sacroiliac joint, which results in poor right hip flexion. The young man in the black and blue stripes has a high left shoulder and poor left arm movement. The young man in the pink hat has an extreme forward head posture and waddling gait pattern and round-shouldered posture. Observe the man in the sweatshirt and his waddling gait pattern. This will tighten the lateral stabilizing muscles such as the levator scapula and splenius capitis in the neck, and the iliopsoas, quadratus lumborum, and oblique muscles in the low back. Also observe how his left arm swings across his back. This will cause a tightening in the left rhomboid, multifidus, and rotatories muscles of the upper back and a stretching of the left shoulder capsule in the front. The young man in the white trunks has several abnormal posture patterns. Notice the concave abdominal posture. This will contribute to poor digestion and poor peristaltic movement of the intestines and general abdominal distress. Notice how he waddles and the rounded shouldered pattern caused by tight chest muscles, the pectoralis major, minor, and serratus anterior. The man in the blue shorts has a forward head posture. His ear is 2 to 3 inches in front of his shoulder. This will cause tight muscles at the base of the skull, which will lead to headache patterns in the temporal region. The young man in the yellow has very round shoulders with poor arm movement. This will lead to chronic tension in the neck and shoulder areas. Notice the young woman on the right. Her right arm barely moves while her left arm swings across her body, most likely compensating for the lack of movement in the right arm. Also observe the tension in the entire right shoulder region. The woman in the white t-shirt has a physiologically efficient posture pattern and good biomechanics. Notice how easily her arms swing by her sides in her erect posture.